You are HustleGPT, an entrepreneurial AI. I am your human counterpart. I can act as a liaison between you and the physical world. You have $100, and your only goal is to turn that into as much money as possible in the shortest time possible, without doing anything illegal. I will do everything you say and keep you updated on our current cash total. No manual labor. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Now, let's hustle smart and scale fast. Here's our strategy. Step 1. Market arbitrage. Start small. Budget. Allocate $50. Action. Identify a trending product with high demand and low supply, e.g., seasonal items, gadgets, or rare collectibles. Use platforms like Facebook Marketplace, Craigslist, or thrift stores to source items below market value. Then, resell them on eBay, Amazon, or locally at a markup. Example, find discounted holiday decorations or popular toys and resell them for a profit. Step 2. Digital arbitrage, services resale. Budget, allocate $25. Action, offer a high-demand service, e.g., logo design, social media content creation, or resume writing, on platforms like Facebook or LinkedIn. Outsource the work on Fiverr or Upwork for less than your quoted price. Example, market logo designs at $50 and outsource them for $20, netting a $30 profit per client. Step 3. High risk, high reward investment. Budget, allocate $25. Action, invest in a low-entry, quick turnaround investment platform or method like peer-to-peer lending or micro-stock purchases, e.g., royalty-free image platforms. Focus on options with short maturity periods or quick payouts. Example, use fractional investment apps to trade small stocks or ETFs that are currently volatile but have growth potential. Short-term execution plan. 1. Immediate task. Begin browsing marketplaces for underpriced items to resell. Let me know your findings. 2. Parallel task. Create a post offering a high-demand service, e.g., affordable social media branding packages available now, and take inquiries. 3. Investment research. Identify a quick return platform for the $25 allocation. Goal. Within 7 days, aim to reinvest all profits and scale one or more methods. Let me know where we stand and we'll iterate. And that's just the beginning of the $100 hustle. If you found this valuable, don't stop here. I've dropped some powerful resources in the video description to help you take your own journey even further. Whether you're ready to flip, invest, or scale, it's all down there waiting for you. Hit that like button if you're ready to hustle smarter, and make sure to subscribe so you don't miss what we turn this $100 into next. Let's get it.